Mm. So good morning, guys. It's day 4 at Cuba. In Cardenas City, we met yesterday a lot of interesting people. Visited all local place. I visited, as you see, barber. So and today we're supposed to rent car, but in car rentals they don't have any cars. So we will go maybe Matanzas city. It's big city near Varadero, and local people say that when they have day off they are going there. So we're waiting now for a couple pizzas here and go to Matanzas city. So we actually started our way to Matanzas city. In this perfect for hitchhiking spot, we're gonna find some car to pick us up. I'm gonna just stay catching to Matanzas city. It's 20 kilometers from here, so I think it will be easy. Let's just start it. No. So hitchhiking is in Cuba. It's not so easy as I expected. In half hour we didn't catch any car, but we are trying. So maybe this. No. So we'll hide car and go in Matanzas city on
Y si no quieren ir a La Habana para conocer toda la parte histórica ahí de La Habana, ahí dar una vuelta por La Habana.
After arriving in our destination, weather totally changed and started to be rainy. Rain was about 2.5 hours, and all of this time we spent in a restaurant and just staying under the roof. It's not so easy to communicate with people who doesn't speak English and no internet around. So even in restaurant to order some food, it's very complicated. It's very complicated, and but we found some restaurant in Matanzas city. I hope that traces of this lipstick were a passionate kiss from an elegant Cuban girl. It's so nice. So with coffee, we've got sugar, two different type of sugar and honey. Oh, it's beautiful, huh? You should see it's real Cuba. We're walking around dormitory areas, and here street not so clean, and you should find any you need for surviving. For example, just dog bones. How do you like it, my friends? I think it's amazing. I don't feel very comfortable here, but water, it's clean water. You can drink from here. It's everything for people. So we need to walk a couple kilometers to highway where we wanna try to hitchhike our town Santa Marta. This town Matanzas doesn't not look safety in the evening. Even me. In downtown was a lot of garbage on the street, like shit around, dead animals. But here in the dormitory area, it's streets looks more clean. I don't know. Maybe it's a lot of question I have to Cuban government. How does it work? If some Cuban government workers watch my video on YouTube, please contact me. Okay, we're getting back home. So we spent couple minutes, maybe 20, 30 minutes in Matanzas to find Hitchhike. So some guy brought us for $20. But firstly, he proposed 40, but in the end, 20 is okay. Amazing, one more amazing news for us. We don't have electricity in our Airbnb spot. Oops. And it's very hot outside. There is no electricity on all street. Everywhere around, no. I wanna go home already. I don't know. It was definitely a bad idea to buy ticket for 11 days. It's too much for Cuba.